Hi, how are you? I am fine. Thank you. What is your name? My name is Anna. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I am from Canada. How old are you? I am 25 years old. Are you busy now? No, I am free now. What do you do? I am a student. Do you speak English? Yes, a little.
Can I sit here? Yes, please sit. How is your day? My day is good. How many people are in your family? There are 5 people. Do you have brothers? Yes, I have 1 brother. Do you have sisters? Yes, I have 2 sisters. Where is your father? He is at work. Where is your mother? She is in the kitchen.
Topic 3. Morning routine. Are you married? No, I am single. Do you have children? No, I do not. Who is at home now? My mother is at home. Is your family happy? Yes, we are happy. Do you help at home? Yes, every day. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 o'clock. Do you exercise? Yes, every morning. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat bread and eggs. Do you drink tea or coffee? I drink tea. Well done! You have successfully completed 3 basic topics: introducing yourself, talking about family and home, and your daily routine. Before we explore 7 important topics with Anna about transportation, work, shopping, dining, and healthy care, please support Anna by clicking the subscribe button and share this video with your friends so you can practice speaking English together. All right, let's keep going right now. Topic 4. Commuting and dining. When do you go to work? I go at 9 a.m. Do you walk to work? No, I take a bus. What time do you come home? I come home at 6 p.m. Do you cook dinner? Yes, sometimes. What do you do at night? I watch TV. What time do you sleep? I sleep at 10 p.m. Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. What would you like to eat? I would like rice. Do you like spicy food? Yes, I do. Topic 5. At the restaurant and shopping. Can I have water? Yes, here you are. How much is this meal? It is $5. Do you want tea? Yes, please. Is the food good? Yes, very tasty. Can I see the menu? Sure, here it is. Do you need a spoon? Yes, thank you. Are you full now? Yes, I am full. How much is this shirt? It is $10. Do you have another color? Yes, we do. Can I try this on? Yes, please. Is this cheap? Yes, it is cheap. Topic 6.
transportation and office. Do you take cash? Yes, we do. Do you take card? Yes, we do. Can you help me? Yes, of course. Where is the cashier? Over there. Do you have a bag? Yes, here you are. Can I get a discount? Sorry, no discount. Where is the bus stop? It is near the bank. When is the next bus? In 10 minutes. How much is the ticket? It is $2. Can I sit here? Yes, please. Does this bus go downtown? Yes, it does. Where should I get off? At the next stop. Can you call a taxi? Yes, sure. How long will it take? About 20 minutes. Is the train late? Yes, a little. Where is platform 1? This way. Where do you work? I work in an office. What time do you start work? At 9 a.m. Are you busy today? Yes, very busy. Can you help me? Yes, I can. Do you use a computer? Yes, every day. Is the manager here? Yes, in the office. Can I come in? Yes, come in. Do you like your job? Yes, I like it. When is lunch break? At 1 p.m. Topic 7. Health and care. Are you tired now? Yes, a little. Are you okay? Yes, I am okay. What happened? I fell down. Do you need help? Yes, please. Where does it hurt? My leg hurts. Do you need a doctor? Yes, I do. Do you have a fever? No, I do not. Can you walk? Yes, slowly. Did you take medicine? Yes, I did. Should I call someone? Yes, call my brother. Are you feeling better? Yes, thank you. Topic 8. Hobbies and daily life. What do you do for fun? I play cricket. Do you like music? Yes, I love music. Can you sing? A little. Do you watch movies? Yes, on weekends. Do you play games? Yes, sometimes. What is your hobby? Reading books. Do you like dancing? No, not much. Are you free tomorrow? Yes, I am. Shall we go outside? Yes, good idea. Do you enjoy life? Yes, I do. Where are you going? I am going home. What are you doing? I am cooking. Can you wait a minute? Yes, sure. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Can you repeat that? Yes, of course. What did you say? Please listen again. Topic 9. Learning English. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Shall we start? Yes, let's start. See you later. See you soon. Have a nice day. Thank you. You too. Can you speak English? Well, I am learning every day. Are you nervous to speak English? Sometimes, but I try. Why do you learn English? I want better opportunities. Do you practice daily? Yes, I practice every day. Who helps you learn English? My teacher and friends help me.
Do you make mistakes? Yes, but I learn from them. Can mistakes help you improve? Yes, they teach me a lot. Do you watch English videos? Yes, every evening. Do you read English books? Yes, simple books. Are you improving now? Yes, slowly but surely.
Topic 10. Personality and family. What kind of person are you? I am friendly and honest. Are you shy? A little shy. Do you like meeting people? Yes, I do. What makes you happy? Family and peace make me happy. What makes you sad? Problems make me sad. Are you hardworking? Yes, I am hardworking. Do you get angry quickly? No, I stay calm. What is your strength? I never give up. What is your weakness? I overthink sometimes. Do you believe in yourself? Yes, I do. Who is closest to you? My mother is closest to me. Do you live with family? Yes, I do. Do you help your parents? Yes, whenever I can. Who cooks at home? My mother cooks. Do you fight with siblings? Sometimes, but we love each other. Do you spend time with family? Yes, every night. Who gives you advice? My father gives advice. Do you trust your family? Yes, completely. Are family dinners important? Yes, very important. Do you miss anyone now? Yes, my old friend. Congratulations! Today you completed 10 useful topics to speak confidently. Remember, keep practicing speaking English anytime, anywhere. When you go to the supermarket, when you have coffee with friends, when you are cooking, or even right before you go to sleep. Just practice for 10 minutes every day, and you will become confident in English communication. Please remember to support Anna by hitting the subscribe button and sharing this video. Thank you so much, and see you again in the next episode. Bye for now.